Namaste. Welcome to VCC Health Talk. I am Dr. Grishma, consulting physician of VCC Ayurveda and Medical Research LLP. So today I am here to share with you 2 simple yet very effective steps to prevent against any infection. So coronavirus being the most familiar one, it was said earlier that the mortality rate for COVID-19 is 1 to 2%, but according to WHO's recent reports, it has increased to 3.4%, and it will also increase further if we are careless and if we don't take necessary preventive steps. So a virus is a genetic code of RNA which is surrounded by a protein membrane. It is called as capsid. That capsid is again surrounded by a lipid membrane, and the lipid membrane will be again surrounded by a spike-like structure called as glycoprotein. So, अगर आपने photo देखा होगा coronavirus का, you will see that so many spikes or crown-like thing is there. So this spike-like structure, when it goes and attaches with the angiotensin receptor of the human cell, it causes infection. So virus in general is a dead thing and does not have life. It does not have motion, it cannot reproduce, it cannot multiply, procreate. But the moment when a virus enters to a human body or a living organism, it will multiply, divide and cause infection. So infectivity of the individual depends upon the immune system, not the virus. So there might be chances that you are having coronavirus inside you, but you might be asymptomatic. How does the coronavirus or virus travel from host to host? It is very simple. It is through the aerosol or through the droplets. The 2 tips which I would suggest is, first is steam inhalation, second is Nasyam. Now I will demonstrate here how you can do steam inhalation and Nasyam at home. So the first procedure is steam inhalation, for which you have to take hot water in a vessel. So while boiling water, you can add a small piece of cinnamon or clove, or also you can use eucalyptus oil. So place it in front of you. Take a towel, a clean towel. You have to place it over your head like this. So what you have to do is, after putting this cloth on your head, it should connect with this vessel, and then you have to bring your face close to the vessel. Close your eyes and inhale and exhale through your mouth. Inhale and exhale through your mouth. This you have to repeat for 5 to 6 minutes. So the second important step is Nasya. So Nasya is one among the Panchakarma. So in Nasyam, what we do is we instill medicated herb in the form of liquid. It can be oil or any drops, or it can also be in powder form. It is instilled through your nostril. It will go directly into your head. So it is said that Nasahi Shiraso Dwara. That is, the nose is the direct entry for the shiras or head. So in this procedure, what you have to do is take some oil in your palm, 5 ml of oil in your palm. You can take coconut oil or sesame oil, any oil. Then you have to rub it. Then massage over your face and neck, especially over your forehead, your cheek, your chin, and also your throat. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes. And then your ears. So once the massage is done, you can give some hot fomentation by rubbing your palm against each other, then applying it over your face like this. Or the other option is steam inhalation. I would suggest steam inhalation because it is more effective. For Nasya Karma, you can use coconut oil, sesame oil, or even medicated oil like Anu Taila you will get from any pharmacy, Kerala pharmacy. After hot fermentation or steam inhalation, what you have to do is take a bed sheet, fold it and place it on your bed, and you should lie down in supine position with back straight. You have to place your sheet below and your head should be tilted backwards. For this
what you have to do is use your index finger, close one of the nostril. With the other hand, you have to put 2 drops in this nostril and then vice versa. And then you have to inhale.
After this procedure is over, you should take warm, lukewarm salt water and then you should drink it and gargle it. So phlegm will come in your throat, you should spit it out. In case you don't have time to do any of this, so just before going out of your home, what you can practice is take any oil, coconut oil or sesame oil or Anu Tailam. I would prefer Anu Tailam as this is medicated. Put 2 drops of this oil in your palm. Then with your little finger, you have to dip this into this and then you have to rotate this inside your nostril in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Then again dip the oil and rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. And then inhale like this. So by doing this, some phlegm will come in your throat which you have to spit out. So the best time to do this procedure is right after waking up on empty stomach, and also whenever you go out for work or for buying something, you just practice this kind of nasya. This is called as Pratimarsha Nasya daily. So few things which you should keep in mind is, so just after taking bath or after having food or when it is rainy, you should not do this procedure. Otherwise you can do this. Steam inhalation will prevent the entry of coronavirus or any virus from the nostril to the further respiratory system. Nasya Karma will also prevent the entry of the virus, dust particle, pollen to the entry of the respiratory system. As when we smear our nostril with this or any medicated oil, it creates a protective layer. The other benefit for this is, it is very good for upper neck organs. It is very helpful for prevention of any kind of allergy or sinusitis, etc. And it will provide strength to your temporomandibular joint. It is very good for premature graying and for early hair fall. It will improve your sense organs, especially it will improve your eyesight if you practice this daily.